Ranthambore. This is my train fit luggage for a day, 2 days actually. The escalator stopped working mid me carrying my luggage, and yeah, that was an amazing start to my trip. My emotional support Diet Coke reached Nizamuddin station, one right in the end. Feel it. My friend making me do unpaid tasks for her. We've reached our station. It took us 4 hours and 30 minutes. Got a taxi to our hotel, which was called Eja Savan. It took us 10 minutes from the station to reach it. Oh, beautiful. Mandatory pool inspection and snacks.
Of course, it's a black drongo.
Some swimming before going for dinner and getting ready for the next day. We woke up at 5 a.m. the next day and it was really peaceful. And I dressed as a beekeeper for my first look.
पारुल टिकट है ना?
No one said you can't take candidates of yourself. It's completely possible. Really lovely weather in the morning. We had just entered and saw a bunch of cars waiting for the tiger. My friends told me it never happens. And we saw a tiger literally 10 minutes into the safari. And I kept telling them it's because it was my first safari and it was my good luck. And yeah, like here comes the tiger.
You see, Tanvi?
Look at all the people with their cameras just waiting and clicking the tiger. It's almost like a celebrity spotting, but like crazier, I think, because you're so silent and so careful of the person. With celebrities, you can hound them.
Hold tight, we are moving. Hold tight. Hold tight for a while.
This was a huge owl. I don't know if you can see, but like it was amazing. Every time the canter goes past spotted deers, they just look at you with such bewilderment, like they're so confused. It's very cute to see.
Male have entered, female don't have. And
The first tiger. Yours too? No, you've seen this. Everyone became really chill because the aim of coming, that was seeing a tiger, was fulfilled. So we just enjoyed other views of Zone 3. It's a really picturesque zone with a lot of forts and construction. This bird kept coming and sitting on the canter. Here's a photo for proof to see how scared I was. That's a wild boar and it's actually really dangerous, but it looks pretty cute, like Hakuna Matata. We were just going to exit after being satisfied, but in the end we saw the greatest thing. This was crazy. This was on our way to the exit, and we then started stalking this tiger. Look at this. The tiger was spraying on every tree to mark its territory. Another spray, another tree. Just stalking it. Actually, the day we left, a tiger ended up killing a human around this area in the temple of the fort.
Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, God.
Eyes have taken you. Oh, it's fine. Oh, wonderful. I'm
Is she thirsty? Her tongue is out. They are saying she smelled someone else's scent. She's not happy. Sprayed वो किया था ना, she was marking the territory.
This is what I wore for the next safari, which was the evening safari. The sky looks pretty. I don't know if these are my glasses or what. Nice. Friends, like the langurs here. मैं ऐसे ले लेती हूँ. I'll make up a friendship even if they're not together.
Fake बना
Yeah. He's weak. We didn't see any tigers in the evening safari, but at least I got cute pictures, and the land was really nice. It was zone 4, and you can see the spotted deer chilling. We saw a lot of sambars. This is when they're staring, and look at the sambar. It has a bird on it. So cute. 2 birds on it actually. Somebody had to take one for the team and remove the obstruction. This is sambar, swimming and bathing. I think one of the great things about this zone that I liked was it was untouched. I mean, there was a little bit of construction in zone 3 because it was a hunting lodge for the kings, but this one's like just pure nature. Frogs. Do something now, bitch. It's showtime. While exiting, we saw this crocodile with its mouth open, like I do sometimes in pictures. One of the best things about the evening safari was the sunset and the weather in general. When it started, it was really hot, but now it was windy and relaxing. We ended up going to Fateh's Cafe, which is really famous, and this is what we ate for late lunch, dinner.
Not dear.
Ended up taking quite a shady walk back to our hotel. And back in the hotel, we just chilled a little bit outside. It was really pretty. Again, morning safari, got up at 5 a.m. That's a kingfisher apparently. Again, we started with a tiger right at the entrance, and he was sleeping. This bird was really cool. It's called snake-headed something. Look at this. The tiger was crossing a bridge, and then it stops, it crouches to drink water. Yeah, see, now it's like drinking water. Unexpectedly, we see another tiger crossing the bridge. See, the first one sitting where it was drinking water, and the second one is crossing now. Like you might see their interaction. We were too spoiled on this trip. We saw so many tigers. Look at another one. We call this trip Tigery Tiger. We are waiting for another tiger to come, and here he is. Amazing. One of the things that's really important in tiger spotting is figuring out how other animals are behaving. Sometimes when the tiger is near, you will see all the monkeys leaving the place, or you will hear bird calls. That was it for the safaris. Now we had a train back in the evening, so we went to Dastakar, which is an NGO, to do some shopping. I really like these floors. They remind me of my dadi's place. I bought some black sand pottery, black mud pottery actually, and then we went to another handicraft place and saw this person painting IRL. Just back to Fateh's Cafe where we had lunch and pastime, played some games until our train was actually an hour late because of some protest, and I started capturing the wildlife on the station. Back to Delhi. So the day we were leaving was when a tiger had attacked a human in the morning, and the tiger was sent to an enclosure. That tiger was actually a famous tiger, Arrowhead's daughter, and Arrowhead passed away shortly after. Right before dying, Arrowhead had actually killed two crocodiles, which is very absurd for tigers. But her grandmother Machli was also famous for killing the crocodiles, so they had family rivalry. And yeah, she finally lost her life after her daughter was sent away.